For advertising inquiries, email us at radiothailand@outlook.com. Thailand Outlook.
สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Thailand Outlook, a daily magazine program broadcast every Monday to Friday on Radio Thailand FM 88. I am Wanachai Jittiwong.
And I am Kachangvit Jachit. Today we're going to be talking about the government's plan to facilitate commuters during coronation ceremony, as well as the newly created medical school at Her Royal Highness Princess Julapun College of Medical Sciences.
Her Royal Highness Princess Julapun College of Medical Science of Julapun Royal Academy has called for applications to the Master of Science program in Medical Sonography at Sonographer School at the Faculty of Health Science Technology for the 2019 academic year. The program is aimed at producing medical personnel with knowledge of medical sonography capabilities at the international standards and to provide people across the country access to ultrasound examinations.
The Sonographer School is a project established within the Directorate of Faculty of Health Science Technology at Her Royal Highness Princess Julapun College of Medical Sciences. The program focuses on producing graduates with the knowledge and expertise in the field of medical ultrasonography and are capable of imparting knowledge with a fine attitude. The graduates are expected to be a key workforce who helps develop the national public health system. They shall be able to apply all acquired knowledge into a real world